Hello everyone, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. Today I am going to show you how to make a cooker chicken curry. It's especially for bachelors, those who quickly want to make a chicken curry. In a cooker, we will add 2 green chilies and 1 kg of chicken. Add 2 sliced onions, 2 sliced tomatoes. Add ginger garlic paste. When you grind ginger and garlic, add little black pepper, fennel seeds and 2 green chilies. Add few curry leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoon of red chili powder and little pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per your taste. You can add 2 tablespoon of yogurt. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoon of coconut oil or any cooking oil. Mix all of them very well. Add 1/4 glass of water. Close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. So here your cooker chicken curry is ready. You can garnish it with coriander leaves and you can share it with all your friends, those who don't like to spend more time in the kitchen. See you again with the next video. Bye bye.